back. This is Raven the Magician, and they call me Raven Strange now. Yes, this is me, and I will perform again. Watch my magic. So guys, I'm Raven the Magician. You can call me Raven Strange. This magic.
First step to journey.
Three Bluetooth headset. Again, will turn into one headset. Bluetooth wireless. Ilaw siya. There's a light there. Didikit ko siya sa dinding. This is one. It will be one Bluetooth wireless headset. Watch this. I put it in this wall. Tanan. Bluetooth headset na. 3:1. Nag-1 na siya. Bluetooth headset. Tunay pati. Naman din with magnet. Okay guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel with more amazing videos this year 2025. This is Raven Strange. Like the Avengers. Idol ko kasi si Dr. Strange. Nagpa-picture din ako sa inyo. Kaya alam din ako sa palmistry. And you like to, if you need help in palm reading, I will teach you using magic tricks. Just comment and subscribe and like this, guys. See you, bye. See you in my next videos. My magics will come again. You will see more. Bye and have a nice day. Enjoy life. Peace and love always. Spread the love.